Hi, I'm Beth Gilmore. I'm a holistic health coach and a detoxification specialist, and I'd love you to join me on this 14-day group cleanse. Now, what you get with this cleanse is a beautiful cleanse ebook filled with beautiful pictures, step-by-step instructions on each phase of the cleanse, lots of recipes, and information on cleanse activities that help take the toxins out of the body. And spring is a perfect time to be internally cleaning your body. I would love you to join me. There's going to be lots of support because you also get a link to a Facebook group page where I will be doing live videos for each phase of the cleanse. And you can also ask questions, we can share recipes. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So get your friends and we're just gonna have a great time. I'd love to see you and have a great day. Bye.